Look, look, can you spell it? L-O-O-K. Look, say it loud and say it clear. Look is a word we love to hear. I can use look in a sentence today. Look in a sentence, hip, hip, hooray. Look is a word that we love to say. Spell it with me, let's learn it today. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 let's spell.
Today's sight word is look. Can you say it? Look. Great. Now let's spell it together. L-O-O-K. Look. Amazing. Look is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Look. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.